Guess what, cruise lovers? There's a new cruise ship in Texas. MSC built a new $100 million terminal and brought one of the newest ships, the MSC Seascape, to the Galveston, Texas port. This ship started sailing from Galveston since November of 2025. In this video, I'll show you a room tour of the deluxe balcony cabin, followed by a walking tour of different ship spaces like the gym, barbershop, atrium, and various restaurants on board. As you see when you walk in, there's a vanity area, couch, and king-size bed that you can split into two twins. The closet has a sliding door where on one side you can hang your clothes, and the other has the safe and the shelves. And as we are turning around, you can see the vanity area, but there's plenty of counter space, plugs for your devices, a mirror, shelves, and drawers to store your belongings. To the side of that is the phone and the TV, and there also is a nice huge mirror in front of the bed. But let's get to the main reason why people book this room, and that is, of course, the balcony. The balcony features two chairs and a side table. While this video was taken at the Galveston port, you would normally be able to view the ocean, sunrises, and sunsets, which makes it all worth it. This room can fit a maximum of 4 people, but I would suggest keeping it to just 3 since you are on a cruise ship after all, and space is pretty limited. But that's not it. Let's check out the bathroom. When you go in the bathroom, you'll see that there is an enclosed shower with the removable head, rails, and a clothesline. You will also have a large mirror with place to put your belongings, but that's all for the bathroom. Enjoy viewing other parts of the ships like the atrium, gym, and restaurants, and make sure you subscribe for more.